Again, it's asking you to highlight the hidden question and to solve the problem. Check your answer on the next slide. This is the next slide. So Rhea walks 775 steps a day. Today, she walks 325 steps to the park and 230 steps to the pool. How many more steps will Rhea walk today? First, solve the hidden question. Our hidden question is that she walks 325 steps to the park and 230 steps to the pool. We need to figure out how many more steps she will walk. This is just like the last problem. So we know that she takes 775 steps a day, but first we need to answer this hidden question of how many steps she's already walked to be able to answer how many more steps she'll walk today. So we're going to do that together. So first we're going to add how many steps that she has already walked. So we know that she's going to walk 325 steps to the park, 230 steps to the pool, so we need to add those numbers together. All right, now that I've written that vertically, 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we know that Rhea has walked 555 steps today, but she usually walks 775 steps in a day, and we need to know how many more steps she will walk today. So we're going to take our number 775 and subtract this number 555. So we're going to take this number 775, how many steps she usually walks in a day, and subtract how many steps she has already walked. So 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So we know that she is going to walk 220 more steps. So that is our answer.